Hey, how y'all it's so late? We finna have some grub here. We doing another pizza bang. I'm telling you, this is getting good. And then we're gonna ask a few questions. So hope you can ride or die. Here we go. And now, here we go. Let's get started. Pray. Amen. God is so good. Okay, there we go. Now we're finna throw the grub. Finna do the screws. This ain't gonna work. Oh.
So first question. All the questions go like for everybody. Well, it's basically like I'm gonna go first, and then I'm gonna let y'all go. Okay. I'm asking that same question.
Oh yeah. Go ask away.
Do I prefer hot stuff or sweet stuff more?
Sweet, she's sugar addict. She will go crazy without sugar. She'll do this. That's how she do sugar. She'll even lick the can.
Oh, don't put that.
She will. Hit these questions. Let's hit these questions. Major delicious.
Which one do I like more, math or reading?
You like reading. You don't do no math. You hate math. Not like no math. Gotta have my hot sauce. Man, I got the jug.
What's my favorite season of the year?
What's your favorite? What?
Summer. Season like summer, winter, spring.
Summer, because you like winter, but then you don't like staying inside. Hey, do you like to stay? Go. What you like?
Winter. Oh, I love winter.
So I
don't like summer.
So we don't have to exercise.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm not. We don't like to exercise. You're being real. Look at him, like you cool.
Am I loud or quiet?
Loud.
Loud.
She stomps like a man.
Am I a girly girl or tomboy?
Girl.
There's 3 things that I say a lot.
Period. I'm dead.
Period.
Which is 3. I'm starting to say it now. I'm starting to say it a lot now. I've been saying it all day today.
Don't say it right now. Corona's out. Okay. Yeah.
Pizza or cheeseburgers? Which one do I prefer more?
Pizza. That's easy.
Okay.
Alright. What more water good? You never get enough water. When you eat, you drink your water. I bet your papa might not eat that hamburger. He probably said, I don't trust it. But we was watching other people do it. Because we're about to wonder.
What's my favorite restaurant to go to?
Pizza. Pizza Hut. It was season, but with Pizza Hut.
Is that your final answer? So,
this is so delicious. It's got my teeth gritting. Sing. Sing like a dove, baby. Sing like a dove. Y'all need some of this. Especially when you're quarantined at home, you can do some pizza.
Y'all want to switch it up to would you rather? Yeah.
Huh?
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Would you rather have 3 feet or 3 hands?
3 hands.
Three
I need
hands.
people.
I only need two to walk. That's the crooked.
Would you rather lose your sense of taste or sense of smell?
Sense of smell.
Smell, I'd rather taste.
Smell, I rather, well, no, not me.
Smell.
I'd rather do smell because, well, taste, if it tastes like milk, I don't want neither one of them. I had to put a lot of hot sauce to cover the smell, the taste.
Honestly, yeah.
Y'all noticed that about me.
But smell. Say for example, never mind. Say for example, you ain't got to smell whenever you're going into a public bathroom or.
Right.
Would you rather only be able to whisper or only be able to shout?
Shout.
Like always
Whisper.
Whisper.
Come on.
Cause nobody gonna want to talk to you. If
No.
every time you talk, you just talk like that.
Oh,
That's annoying.
people gonna keep on saying.
That is very annoying.
I'd rather do
That's
that thing.
annoying.
You go in a restaurant, I want to order. Like people like, girl, get out.
If you yelling at people, you'll never make it if you're with somebody. Point right. It hurts the ears.
Would you
They
rather?
like complaining.
Right. Would you rather be able to freeze time or travel in time? I say travel in time.
You don't use your salt. Give here. I'll go.
I said I'm good. They hate me starting.
Okay.
Yeah,
I ain't got some.
Okay.
What is that?
Well,
Would you be able to? Would you rather live without music or without television? Without television, because I love music.
no television, no music.
Music. I need my Netflix.
Without television.
No, you don't.
Oh, I need
She
music
loves
to
you
live.
too.
I love music.
They love you too.
I love 911 too.
She loved Ariana Grande and then Billie Holiday.
Billie Eilish.
Let me tell y'all something. This look like spooky pizza. You know, the pizza that you go and you finna go trick or treating and stuff, and then you look in your bag and it was good and looks good. Man, it look better than candy. If it was artificial, I think I would still eat it with y'all.
Honestly, yeah.
Cause bread ain't good. But oh well, gotta have something.
Would you rather lose all of your teeth or all of your hair?
My teeth.
I'd rather lose all my hair because you can always put a wig on.
Yeah, teeth. I mean hair.
The
It's
hair.
like you need your teeth.
You lose all your teeth?
I don't need my teeth. I get some phones so I can gum it. I like to use my gums.
You see me? That's pretty.
Y'all do too.
Would you rather get your paycheck given to you in pennies or never be able to use cash again? I guess my paycheck gonna be in pennies.
Pennies
I'm gonna be a Walmart that change machine.
Yes.
Ooh.
I had that happen to me. Somebody had $50 pennies.
Mm-hmm.
And then they couldn't count them. I was like, oh Lord.
Okay, so
Oh no.
They kept skipping. She said, no, you gotta go back. 1, 2, so like 1, 3, 6.
Oh my god. Would you rather be able to breathe underwater or fly? I'd rather fly.
fly.
No, breathe underwater.
Breathe underwater. Yeah.
No, fly.
But I don't
Really?
want to fly.
I can fly and
My
get away
dream
from.
to fly.
When I get mad, I can just fly. I like Batman and Supergirl.
You gonna be stuck up there.
Bye, y'all. Don't
Fly
find
to a
me.
tree. Can't get down.
Won't find me.
That's hard.
I want to tell y'all something. You know, this corona made people not want to eat out. But these two, they're convincing. So, we always eat pizza. And the person, before it came out, is the one that made it. Because I remember things. But you know, you gotta enjoy yourself and live life once in a while. You just can't do it every day. Just remember that. God got your back. Even if the bricks say beep beep in the head, you gotta do yourself like this. Is there screws in there? Let me sew it back together. I'll put it in there. But you know what I'm saying? Be straight in these streets. Watch what people are doing, but just remember, you can't eat everywhere. Please go back to, but this one here you can't tell her. She'll go eat out every day.
Facts.
She remind me of somebody I know. Who was that?
Somebody I used to know.
Let's eat out a lot too.
Yes, facts.
Well, she got them coupons. I love her. She put them coupons on straight. She tell you a minute. Wait a minute.
I know who you're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
She said this one.
Definitely.
Oh, I thought she was.
She know how to coupon her way around. You
No, she
can't.
said coupons.
Ain't nothing wrong with wearing have coupons.
There's some people that.
It ain't like you. I said tampons. I said coupons.
Yeah, no.
Mom, eat it.
Well, I'll just correct it. Because this Corona got people mixed up.
Oh my God.
Them Doritos good. Look at you lick it too.
I lick it just like you.
I lick it.
Would you rather? Wait. Would you rather share your house with a family of rats or live with your parents forever?
Live with my parents forever.
I can't do that. No.
Then you can't deal with your parents all the time.
Man, it's like
Parents. I always want to live with my parents forever.
I can't tell you about
forever.
that. I done slept on the floor. Man,
At least next door or something.
when there's a lot of those, you run. I mean, you see one, you run, you go get you some
Oh my
stuff.
The whole package.
Because I can't live here. Because you can't live with them.
Oh, rat family. Why say
I'm
rat
telling you,
family?
you can't live with them. You can't live with the roaches either. Roaches is just like rats. So if you got them, you better exterminate your house because I can't eat them. Afraid not. I see a roach, I'm gone.
I mean, I'm
Would
dead.
you rather know all the secrets of space or all the secrets of the ocean? Space.
Wait, what did you just say?
Space, because there's jaws in the ocean. And there's some sunflower girls.
Would you rather know? Would you rather know all the secrets of
Sunflower
space or the
girls.
ocean?
Secrets in space? What?
What you saying?
Like,
Is there mops in space?
nothing about space. So you know
And
everything
we
about
start mopping the floor in space. Hey, you good. Show me how you did it. Because you're going to be floating. They have to tie themselves down sometimes.
In space?
Because they be floating up like you do dead bodies. And sometimes your body wakes up.
Would you rather have every movable?
You didn't know that? Like you had a funeral, you think you're doing something? No. The body is waking up.
Would you rather have every movie spoiled for you before you watch it, or not be able to watch a new movie until it's been out for a year? I mean, we already been waiting for a movie to come out for a year.
Well,
So,
stitches get stitches.
I hate people.
I waited for years
I
for
hate when
Jurassic
people,
Park to come on.
I'm gonna say, would you rather never stop growing taller or never need to sleep?
My word's short.
I'm going taller. I want to be tall.
Yeah.
You're already
Short
not
people.
taller, right?
Short people win, baby. Tall people is left behind. Some of them don't go out to get their paper. Tall and you just stupid. I don't like that.
Would you rather never be able to leave your house or only be able to be in your house for 5 minutes at a time?
What the hell?
Would you
saying?
rather never be able to leave your house or only be able to be in your house for 5 minutes at a time?
That mean I can't sleep
That
at
you were in the house for 5 minutes at a time.
Well,
So say
that's
You
the
don't have to
quickest
sleep
snaps. That's the quickest nap you ever gonna have. 5 minutes, all I gotta
sleep
get
in
out.
my shed.
I would sleep outside because 5 minutes ain't enough.
give me the commercial.
Especially with you,
I got my cheese.
because you getting ready for the corona.
Coronavirus.
Corona jobbies. You know, this corona that make people nuts. They're scared to even look at you. They see you coming, they look at you. If you look to them not good, they run. I ain't never see. I coughed because I got allergies, and boy, people took the heck off. I was like,
people ain't never run from somebody so
for
bad.
allergies, better run because it done caught you anyway. You too late. Because I know what I got. Them flowers was kicking, and the perfume it kicks me off. So I was like, they running and shit. Me and y'all like, is these people serious? We seen this line. We started to leave. You see me for this? I said, I'm out of here. The stores is locking it down. They ain't putting food in, but they locking it down. They tell you. And you go to the grocery store, ain't much to choose from. You better enjoy your little snacks and go on a diet. Best time to do it is now. At least when Corona gone, you ain't got to worry about it. You be on a diet and you'd have done yours. Y'all, we going on a diet after we do this. Who in? With no more junk. The whole time the Corona is going on. Y'all want to do a challenge? No
we
junk.
know you can win.
No, yo, I cannot win that. I like
Y'all
junk.
already do diets.
I like junk.
You know I like junk more than you.
I'm saying, will you sacrifice? Would you do a challenge? I challenge you to no eating sweets while you're on the corner.
How long the corona gonna last?
Hey, come on.
We can do it.
Would you rather be able to see your own future or be able to see everyone's future but your own?
Mine?
See everybody.
See my future.
That's a good question though.
We don't give a shit. I'm old now.
Hey, but if you seen everybody, you could become a fortune teller and just get paid.
It ain't all about the money, honey.
It ain't. Come out of here.
Yes, it is. If it ain't about the money, nope.
I forgot about that song.
Stay over there. Don't try to waste my time.
It ain't about the
It ain't
money.
about the money.
They ain't gonna take me like the
You
coronavirus.
did not do that.
When you know too much, you get caught. And you get right on the plane and go right back to where they at, because they coming for your ass.
Oh, come on.
Bad English. I can cut that out. Y'all taught me that.
Sound country.
Well, it's like this. I've been hanging around all them country folks all my life. And we always did a good thing. Me and my husband, we was out there doing them hogs. We'd chop them up and get them ready to roll and put them in the market, boy, back in the day. And them chickens.
Wait, okay.
We cooked them chickens in the soup bowl.
Would you rather marry somebody that you don't love or marry somebody that doesn't love you?
Let me explain something to you. Love ain't everything.
Just answer the question, guys. Would you rather marry somebody that you don't love or marry somebody that
I'm not answering that, and
don't
nobody
love
gonna
you?
make me.
Well, I'd have been through that in life. I'm gonna tell you like this. You better get somebody to love
Been
you.
coughing ever since I've been around you.
So, somebody that loves
Stop
you.
making these folks think that I got the COVID. Stay over there, bro.
Corona!
6 feet down. We gotta get 6 feet away. I'm sorry, guys. I can't do
You
it.
was coughing first.
She is cold because she
I
ate too
wasn't
much.
coughing, bro.
She be alright.
No, I ain't never heard that. Coughing because you ate too much.
Y'all
You
stupid.
could choke from eating.
But anyway, I love these little shrimp balls, but I'm gonna tell you something. You know what I'm saying? Marriage, if it's a business thing, you trying to make some money, you trying to stop living in raggedy places, yeah, you'll marry anybody. Whether you marry where you love them or not.
Looks
You'll
like
learn to love
I
them.
ain't messing with no bro.
But then you get yourself wanting to beat your butt and run around and slap you a little few times. You ready to call the cops or, oh, he beat me. Because you didn't think and get something that you should have thought that was worth your time. Trash is trash. I've been through that. Take the trash out on another day, but not today. Remember that. Your life is important. You don't need, oh, I gotta marry somebody. I'm gonna die old. Everybody gonna die. And I don't care if you have some, if you don't. If you don't love them, then oh well. But you better remember, love is what keeps you going. She's trying to mock me over here, so I'm gonna mock her. Oh my God, she's so nice. Look at that face. Turn red.
I like it too. Ow,
You play too much. You play too much. Give me that hand. Playing on TV.
Give me a kiss.
No, because you're bad. You've been coughing. I don't want no corona.
You gonna have to take me?
No, I ain't got no corona. I ain't staying nowhere. You the one at home, not me. I'm doing just fine because you ain't had your soup medicine.
If I get the corona,
You stay at home and you still get the corona.
bad.
That's bad. Me and her was put to the test today. I'm telling you.
I hope
When that little girl was sick, girl,
She has a
please.
corona?
I ran here. Me and her got our medicine.
Coronavirus?
You could tell she
probably
had
did,
something
bro.
because she looked it terrible.
And y'all, was y'all
She a
by her?
baby.
Was y'all by her?
No, she was in front of us checking in, but she was a baby, but she looked
But
bad.
y'all was close to her, right?
No, children sometimes got too much mouth and too much talk. And believe me, you got to remember your place. I'm the mother, you're the child. Remember that. And life will be just good for
So
her.
that means
You got a bowl on your face.
I got leakies.
What the hell, bowl?
I have more right here.
You got a bowl in your
Right
lip.
here.
You gotta take some medicine. She's the baby right here. She wants to wear mascara now. She just wants to. She'll be in high school here in a minute, my poor baby. She got a pretty smile, but she don't take pictures of herself that much. But she loves Ariana Grande in videos. She's a good girl though, and she just won't show her pretty self. I'm trying to get her to show her pretty self. She got pretty eyes. Hey, look at it. Y'all got eyes just alike. That's what's tripping me out. How in the heck you two got the same set of eyes? It's crazy. I'm looking at her, but I'm looking at you too. Like, dang, if you do this, you think y'all was twins. The only thing different, your eyebrows, you don't have to cut them. Ain't you so proud? She has to deal with hers stay the same. But anyway, I guess anyway, I love talking to y'all because it was fun. We doing these arrays. I'm gonna ask them a few questions. Do y'all do the yard anytime, any place? Do y'all willingly do the yard? Do y'all like cleaning, doing chores?
Yeah, we do. No, but I do it. So I gotta do it.
Do y'all like seeing your kinfolk all the time, every day if you could? Y'all like,
I don't like seeing nobody but y'all.
y'all left me for 2 days.
I don't like
me for
leaving
2
you.
days.
I don't like leaving you.
Why? Because you like used
I
to
get
us
homesick
complaining.
easy.
I think y'all used to us complaining. Y'all, you look like you got a freaking tan. What the hell is going on? She got a tan. I am serious. And I'm like, you didn't go outside but a little inch. You put makeup on your body?
No.
This show look like she got a tan, y'all. I'm going to put her on a leash. Cause you wait till her birthday. She finna come out with a style, this hairstyle. Oh, we gotta show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna have a birthday thing, cause it'll probably be at home. But we're gonna have something funny for y'all. And me and her gonna be doing. She finna do the waltz. And she did mine. Hey y'all, it's gonna be so great. Cause you guess what? Y'all guess what? I'm gonna have an anniversary in a minute. It's gonna be on the 11th. And then I got a birthday. Man, I better bank up. I better bank up. You know what I'm saying? And I better get something. I told my husband I need a dance. And I need just a few of your attention. And show me that you care. On the 11th. We'll see. So y'all stay tuned to see me and my husband so-called doing the lovey-dovey, standing together, showing each other that we care about each other on the 11th. We don't talk about it too much because it's a private affair, because on our anniversary gets forgotten, but I guess because we don't really say nothing about it. But I want to tell y'all, LA's got a man. I got a man. And he's a hunk of a man. I don't show his picture, but I'm going to show y'all that he is the bomb. And I'm telling you, please, watch our world. Here we come. But thank you I'm gonna end this, and it was fun. And y'all got something else to say with that gorgeous self?
No.
Well, we're gonna say it like this then. We're gonna blow. We're gonna get out of here. And I want pow, pow, pow.
All I gotta say is,
All I gotta say
I'm
is
gonna link
pow, pow,
her
pow.
TikTok down below, so make sure you go to her TikTok and like her videos.
Thank you. Thank you. It's peaceful. We gonna jam up in here. We're gonna do the waltz. I ain't gonna do no roaches though. Can't stomp the roach. Mm-mm. They got a dance called Stomp the Roach, Stomp the Rat, and take the donkeys home. That's what they used to say back in there. Stomp the rats, stomp the roaches, then take the donkey home.
Bye.
We got bye y'all. We got some crazy science. We love y'all. It's LA. Peace.